Hi everyone, this is my technology share for my fifth one. This is smore.com, and you can see the logo up here, so it's smore.com. I use this, it's kind of like Canva, but it's more of an interactive newsletter. So I use this to send out links for my families on Seesaw, especially. But I'm just going to go through and show you some of the newsletters that I've created and some possible ideas for what you could use. So I created this one recently, and this is for math, obviously, but I put together some math resources for my families because I noticed that they're really struggling with the homework, especially. Even though I don't do much with the homework, they still feel the need to stress over it, even though I've told them hundreds of times that it's no need to stress. But anyway, so this is really neat because it's a physical link on the newsletter that they can click and go to websites that I recommend, as well as like YouTube channels and my contact information. It's all embedded within the newsletter. So I don't have to send 3 or 4 different messages with these links. It's all here for them and with an explanation of what those are. So if I go back here, I'll show you another one that I did. So this one was queued up for our Earth Day projects last year, and it's all very easy to customize, and there's templates to create that you can go in and decide what you want to do with certain templates. But like for this one, I was able to put in a photograph, but then also listing certain things that we needed, and then here's my sign up for the Earth Day project supplies. So that link is embedded within the newsletter. So I'm kind of like mashing together a couple of the different technology shares that I've done, but this one I just like because it's super easy to put together, and it keeps everything all in one place for the families. So once again, this is smore.com, and if you're interested in checking this out and you need any help, just let me know, and I'm happy to help you. Thank you.